In this video, we're going to look at how to solve special angle pairs using algebra. In this example, we have two angles, 3x plus 4 and 5x, and we have to solve for x. Looking at these two angles, they together form a straight line. This straight line and these two angles together means that these angles are supplementary angles, and that our supplementary angles always add up to 180 degrees. Now, let's build an equation so we can solve for x. We're going to take each of these expressions, 3x plus 4 and 5x, and together those two expressions equal 180 degrees. Now, at this point, all we're doing is using what we know about algebra to solve this equation. So we're going to add terms with identical variable parts first, 3x and 5x together. 3x plus 5x will equal 8x, and then we bring down what we haven't touched yet. Now this is just a two-step equation. So I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. The 4's on the left cancel, and I'm left with 8x equal 176. I divide both sides by 8, and x is equal to 22. All right, let's look at our next example. Again, in this problem, I have two angles, and these two angles form a straight line, so they're supplementary angles. One measure of an angle is 87 degrees, and the other one is an expression. I'm going to add those two together and set them equal to 180. So 87 plus 5x plus 3 is equal to 180. Now, I'm going to use algebra to solve this equation. I'm going to add my constants together because those are like terms. So 87 plus 3 is 90, and then I bring down the parts that I haven't touched yet. Now I'm going to solve my two-step equation by subtracting 90 from both sides first. So subtract 90 from both sides. The 90's on the left cancel, and I'm left with 5x is equal to 90. Divide both sides by 5, and I get x is equal to 18. Now there's another way we could do this. If I know these two angles equal 180 degrees, and this one is 87, if I take 180 minus 87, that's going to mean this angle is 93 degrees. You still need to find and solve for x. So you could always do this. Set that one angle equal to 93 degrees, and then solve for the x that way. So you would have 5x equal 90, divide both sides by 5, so x again is equal to 18. My favorite type of angles, vertical angles. And we know the nice part about vertical angles is that in vertical angles, these two angles are the same measure. So if I know this one is 68 degrees, I also know this one is 68 degrees. And that sets up my equation right there. 6x plus 2 is equal to 68 degrees. Subtract 2 from both sides. My 2's will cancel and leave me with 6x equals 66. Divide both sides by 6. I get x is equal to 11. All right, in this example, I do have vertical angles that are formed. However, the two angles that we're looking at are next to each other. They're adjacent to each other. So we're just focused on this set of angles, which are actually supplementary angles. And in order to find x, we're going to set them equal to 180. So 4x plus 72 equals 180. Subtract 72 from both sides. Let's see, we get 108. Divide both sides by 4. X is equal to 27.